What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And as much as we travel around the country and as much as we love food, we don't typically go out to eat very often.
It's true.
We do here and there, and we enjoy the occasional meal out or the occasional appetizers and drinks with friends. But typically, as you know, we are mostly cooking on our Blackstone at home. And one thing we haven't had in a while is any sort of Asian food, and kind of been craving it. So today, I'm going to be making some Asian-style beef and noodle bowls.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
First thing we need to do for our beef noodle bowls is to get our marinade set up for our beef, and that is nice and easy. Got a bowl here for the marinade. We've got some soy sauce to add into there, a little sesame oil to give it that authentic Asian flavor, a little bit of minced ginger. As you know, we like it hot, so we're gonna put some red pepper flake in there, a little bit of brown sugar, some minced garlic. We're just gonna mix it all up, get that beef nice and coated, get all those flavors playing nice together. All right, we're gonna let that sit for a few minutes. I'm actually kind of excited for this next part. It's a trick I learned from my buddy CJ. He was able to successfully cook ramen noodles on the griddle. So we're gonna give it a try. So we're gonna take our noodles, put them right on the griddle. We're gonna take our Blackstone silicone dome and cover them up, but we're gonna put a lot of steam under them. And we'll see how it goes. And while those are cooking, it is time to get our beef on the griddle. I've got the other side of the griddle nice and hot because we're going to flash fry this beef as quickly as we can. Only takes about 3 or 4 minutes for this beef to cook. So we're going to pull it off. That smells amazing. Then we're going to wait for our noodles.
Okay.
And if I wasn't seeing, I kind of wouldn't be believing. I will say it doesn't look quite as smooth as when CJ did it, but we've got some nice steamed noodles here for our bowl, which is fantastic. Threw a little soy sauce in there too for some extra flavor. Now we'll take a few slices of our Asian beef, which smells super good. Got some freshly sliced cucumber here. I'm gonna make this look all pretty and fancy. And we've got some shredded carrot. And up here we're gonna put some sliced green onion. And then we are going to top it off with some kimchi.
Well, it is colorful. Got a little bit of alternating color here going on. It looks like a very nice, presentable dish.
It may have been intentional. Been a while since I've used chopsticks.
I know, me too. It's been a while. So I love that you spiced it up a little bit. We're trying something new.
Different.
Let's see how it tastes.
That beef is so good.
It's really good. I think maybe even like a drizzle, more of like a sauce on top.
Yeah.
Would almost
Yep.
be good. Whatever you marinated that beef in.
Super good.
It's really delicious.
I'm
And
trying.
how's that kimchi? I'm staying on the
I've
other
never
side.
had it before,
Me
and it's
neither,
actually
but
really good. The noodles came out pretty good. They taste amazing, and I'm pretty excited about eating the rest of this.
I'm still trying to
Probably
get my
with a
dang
fork.
bite.
Well, thank you guys for watching us delve into a new style of dish here. We're actually pretty excited about it, and hopefully you will try it at home too. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Bruce, Betty, Todd, Nate, CJ, Matt, Taylor, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.